Let's start today's lecture, United Nations and International Politics. Here we have lecture outlines, introduction, definition, significance, challenges, criticism, types, examples, and lastly conclusion. These are our short notes of United Nations. Let's start from introduction. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after World War II to promote peace, security, and cooperation among countries. It was established to prevent future conflicts, foster social and economic development, and protect human rights. The United Nations currently has 193 member states and work on a range of global issues. Significance of United Nations promotes peace and security. The United Nations plays a crucial role in conflict prevention, peacekeeping, and conflict resolution. For example, United Nations peacekeeping missions have been deployed in countries like Mali and South Sudan to help maintain peace and security, protect human rights. The United Nations works to promote and protect human rights through its various bodies, such as the Human Rights Council. It monitors human rights abuses and provides a platform for addressing violations. Facilitate an international cooperation. The United Nations should serve as a forum for member states to discuss and collaborate on global issues such as climate change, health, and development. Provide humanitarian aid. The United Nations coordinates and delivers humanitarian assistance to countries affected by natural disasters, conflict, and other emergencies. For example, the United Nations World Food Programme provide food aid to millions of people worldwide. Types of United Nations bodies: General Assembly, comprising all 193 member states. It serves as a forum for deliberation, policy making, and representation. Second, Security Council, responsible for maintaining international peace and security. It has 15 members, including 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States, with veto power. Economic and Social Council coordinates economic, social, and environmental efforts of United Nations and its specialized agencies. International Court of Justice, the principal judicial organization of the United this is organization, not organ. Organization of the United Nations is settled legal disputes between states. Secretariat, responsible for the day-to-day administration of United Nations, led by the Secretary General. Specialized agencies, autonomous organizations that work with United Nations, such as the World Health Organization and the International Monetary Fund. Challenges faced by the United Nations: political tensions. Political rivalries among member states, especially within the Security Council, can hinder decision making and effective action. Founding constraints: the United Nations relies on member states' distributions, and financial shortfalls can impact its ability to carry out programs and missions. Bureaucratic inefficiency: the complex and hierarchical structure of the United Nations can lead to delays and inefficiencies in implementing initiatives. Limited enforcement power: the United Nations' ability to enforce its resolutions and decisions is often limited, relying on the cooperation of the member states. Criticism of the United Nations: inefficiency. Critics argue that the United Nations has been ineffective in resolving major conflicts such as the Syrian civil war, bias and inequality. Some believe that the United Nations structure, particularly the Security Council, favors powerful countries and marginalized small members. Corruption and mismanagement. Delegation of cooperation management within United Nations agencies have raised concern about transparency and accountability. Bureaucratic red tape. the United Nations bureaucratic process can slow down decision making and implementations. Benefits of the United Nations. So here we have benefits of United Nations. Global platform. The United Nations provide a unique platform for dialogue and cooperation among member countries. Secondly, humanitarian aid. The United Nations delivers critical humanitarian assistance to millions of people affected by crises. Thirdly, we have peacekeeping and conflict resolution. The United Nations plays a vital role in preventing and resolving conflicts through peacekeeping mission and diplomatic efforts. Promoting development. The United Nations works to achieve sustainable development goals that address global challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. Past examples of United Nations initiatives. United Nations peacekeeping mission developments in countries like Mali and the Democratic Republic of the Congo to maintain peace and security. World Trade World Health Organization leading global health initiatives such as eradication of smallpox and response to the COVID-19 pandemic. World Food Program providing food assistance to millions of people affected by hunger and conflicts. Fourth, United Nations Children's Fund working to improve the lives of children through education, healthcare, and nutrition programs. So now lastly we have conclusion of our today's lecture about United Nations. The United Nations is a vital international organization that plays a significant role in promoting peace, security, cooperation among nations. Despite facing challenges, criticisms, the United Nations contributions to humanitarian aid, conflict resolution, and sustainable development are invaluable. By understanding the structure, significance, challenges, and benefits of United Nations, we can appreciate its impact on global stage and support its efforts to create better world. So this is all about our today's topic. I hope you understand this topic.